Well, hello friends, greetings from home base, Wyoming. So, have you been eating the delicious peaches that are at the different farm stands? These peaches are so good. They smell delicious. So I'm just gonna fill up this tray. I've got a piece of parchment paper on the bottom, make it easier to remove them. Let's see if I can fit the other half of this peach in here. So I'm going to put them in my freezer and let them individually freeze up and then put them in bags. And then I'm gonna enjoy peach smoothies as long as they last. There we go. See you later.